we question is that an AC voltage rating 240 volt 50 hertz, find the time to change current from maximum value to RMS value. An AC voltage rating 240 volt 50 hertz, find the time to change current from maximum value to RMS value. This is the question which is asking in IIT mains paper 2021 physics. Myself Prashant Kumar Srivastav, I am physics teacher. Now student, please pause down video and note down this question and take 5 minutes to solve this. If you do not solve this question, then again continue my video and see how this question is solved by me. And now again, if any doubt, any question, then please comment in comment box of my YouTube channel or contact to me my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now see that how this question is solved. AC voltage is given. You know that 240 volt frequency is given 50 hertz. I want to calculate the time to change current from maximum value to RMS value. Okay. You know that the formula of current is that 1 minute. Formula of current is that I is equal to, this is the question related to AC current. I think you study this chapter in class 12th physics. You know that current I is equal to I naught sine omega t. I is equal to I naught sine omega t. Okay. Now for RMS current of value, RMS current I is equal to I naught by root 2. If omega t is equal to pi by 4, if omega t is equal to pi by 4, then I is equal to I naught sine pi by 4, and you know that sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, then I is equal to I naught by root 2. It means that omega t is equal to pi by 4. Omega t is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So if omega t is equal to pi by 4, then t is equal to pi upon 4 omega. Omega is angular frequency, and you know the formula of angular frequency. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Pi is cancelled out. In to change into millisecond, we multiply with 1000. Then this is 250 divided by f, and you know that frequency is 50 hertz. Then 250 divided by 50, 0 cancel out, and this answer is 5 millisecond. Final answer is 5 millisecond. Then according to the option, I share the option. Uh, there are the 2.5 milliseconds. Oh, sorry. This is also divided by 2. This is also divided by 2. Then 5 by 2 is 2.5 millisecond. And this is final answer, 2.5 millisecond. Student, I think you understand the solution of this question. Okay. Our main aim to calculate the time. You know that I is equal to I naught sine omega t. Yeah, this is writing here. I is equal to I naught sine omega t. For RMS current, omega t is equal to pi by 4. Then I is equal to I naught sine pi by 4. I is equal to I naught by root 2. You know that sine pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Then I is equal to I naught by root 2. So it means that omega t is equal to pi by 4. Then t is equal to pi upon 4 omega. Put the value of omega 2 pi f, multiply with 1000 into 10 to the power minus 3, and put the value of frequency. You know that frequency is 50 hertz. 0 0 cancel. 5 by 2 is 2.5 millisecond. This is the final answer. Okay. It means that option number B is correct. 2.5 millisecond. Okay. Any doubt, then you contact to me in my WhatsApp number, or to give comment in comment box of my YouTube channel. And student, you also subscribe my YouTube channel and also like my post. Thank you.